What do we got? We got the stick ready?
Yep.
Let's get a close look up at it. Oh, you got the wires all hooked on. Ready to go. He's gonna be scared. We got a little bit of wind. We can see from the
Ready?
All right, whenever you're ready, man.
5, 4.
Here we go, Kai.
2, 1.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. It's going. Oh.
It's coming right down on us. It went so far, Max.
It's going to glide all the way.
It's coming right down on us.
Boom.
Time to go get it.
Where we going, Max? Rocket retrieval. All right. Oh, over another fence, Max? Where is it? Way out there? Oh no, go get it. How are we gonna get it? Shimmy over that fence. Oh, here he comes. How's it looking, Bub? Did it survive?
Yeah.
Let's see. Any damage?
No.
No, it's in pretty good shape.
I'm gonna get back over.
Well, you're stuck over there, so we'll see you later.
We'll play you some turkey.
All right, see ya.
Max, up.
Scared those horses.
I'm pretty high.
Went pretty high.